Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 501, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will need to take off the case of your device, though you don't need to power it off, so that's pretty nice. Now, to take it off, you do have a pull tab right over here, so you can just using your fingernail, pry it out, and then carefully go around. There we go. And as you can see, we have our little slots right here. So we have SD one at the very top. So place your cards like so, at least the SD card, and then push it all the way in. All the way in, kind of meaning like this far. It just kind of locks into place. You can feel it when it's at the end. Next, grab your SIM card, and with the cut part of the corner facing top right side, just place it right here, and again just slide it in there like so, and that's it. The cards should be working right away. There we go. There's the power button, and as you can see, it's telling me to enter my SIM card pin, so I'm gonna unlock my SIM card by doing so. Obviously SIM card is working because of this little SIM card pin. And in here we should also have a notification about, there we go, our Samsung SD card. So there we go, both of the cards are working just fine, and that is how you insert them. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.